The 2025 Suzuki Carry Camper van is redefining compact adventure travel. Built on the ultra-reliable Suzuki Carry platform, this camper van blends practicality, efficiency, and clever design, all packed into a surprisingly small footprint. As more travelers seek minimalist, budget-friendly van life options, the Carry Camper van presents itself as a top contender, especially in densely populated countries or areas with narrow, winding roads where larger motorhomes struggle. Despite its compact size, the 2025 model doesn't skimp on utility. At its core is a lightweight yet sturdy frame, ideal for both urban commuting and off-the-grid weekend escapes. It features a 660cc engine, compliant with key car regulations in Japan, but Suzuki has tuned it to be more efficient and smoother than previous generations. Whether cruising through city streets or ascending narrow hillside roads, the Carry maintains impressive fuel economy, averaging around 18 to 20 kilometers per liter. That's a huge plus for long-distance travelers trying to keep costs down. What makes the 2025 Carry Camper stand out is its highly optimized interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a surprisingly versatile living space. Suzuki and its TT aftermarket partners have designed smart modular interiors, allowing for various configurations. The rear bench folds out into a sleeping area suitable for 2 adults. There's storage tucked under the seats, overhead compartments, and clever slide-out drawers accessible from the back. Some versions include a compact kitchenette, complete with a small sink, a single-burner stove, and a mini fridge powered by an external battery or solar panel setup. A key improvement in the 2025 5 model is the optional pop-up roof, which adds standing room and ventilation. It transforms the living space dramatically, giving occupants a sense of openness that's rare in vans this size. The fabric is water-resistant and UV-protected, with screened windows to keep bugs out. This feature alone makes the Carry far more comfortable for extended stays in nature or at remote campgrounds. On the road, the van handles with surprising ease. Its tight turning radius, combined with a high seating position, offers excellent visibility and maneuverability. Whether you're navigating busy downtown traffic or squeezing into a small campsite spot, the Carry proves nimble and stress-free. Safety features in the 2025 model include ABS, electronic stability control, and optional driver assist systems like lane departure warning and a backup camera. Customization is a big part of the Carry Camper's appeal. Many buyers personalize theirs with exterior wraps, roof racks, additional lighting, or off-road wheels. There are even rugged 4WD variants for those who want to explore rougher terrain. And despite its small size, the van has a loyal following among digital nomads, surf